And hello everyone. Hi, is everybody? I don't know. This may be every now and then that I come do a little unboxing. So I have some treats here. And I went to the and then this package is from, can you see this? Let me see. Let's do this. This is my first package. So I just ordered some rhinestones because I have, this is where I ordered my rhinestones from. I'm super duper excited, y'all. Thank you. Is this? Thanks, Rachel. I think that's her name. Look! Oh, this is pretty. I love gifts. This is really pretty. I have a pen like this. It's purple. My favorite color is purple. And these are, oh, these are pretty. These are really pretty. Can you see those? These are really, really pretty. Let me zoom y'all in here so y'all can see how beautiful these rhinestones are. Rhinestones. These are hot flakes. So yeah, these are pretty. Okay, there you go. Okay, let's go on to our next box. This is fly.com. You can see that craftcuttersupply.com. This is flock. I think my, okay. Craftcuttersupplies.com. Is the cut. This is beautiful. You can see where some of the dots end up sticking, but you could imagine how this butterfly is going to turn out. So that's how I get mine off. Really easy, not hard. So these are, I did a video. I don't know if I'm gonna, oh, I did an unboxing of where I got these from. So, let's go ahead. This is a paint edger. I got mine from Home Depot, and then I have one of the big ones, which I saw these in Home Depot too. A lot more cheaper. If you're looking to save a coin. But if you want to get it from Amazon, the link is down below. Okay. So what you want to do, you want to circles softly, circles softly. Circles, circles. This is going in fairly easy. I thought this was going to be hard. Once I got into it, I saw that it wasn't that hard. Like, this could be intimidating to someone that is new to crafting, but I'm fairly new to crafting and it's pretty easy. Okay. I forgot how many rhinestones this design takes. I'll put it in the description. But I am loving this so far. I love bling. Who doesn't? What girl doesn't like bling? Or male? I love me some bling, honey. I've been wanting to learn how to do rhinestones. I know I had to take my time because I could overdo it at times, but this is, I don't think I ever get tired of rhinestones. They just so beautiful. Okay. Now I could go back in if I wanted to. I need to go in on this side. Now you could take a rhinestone pen. I have two. I'm not investing in it anymore. And you could pick them up and you could just put them in the holes that you see where you need rhinestones, like right here. But other than that, whatever floats your boat. Okay. I don't want to mess it up too much. So I'm just going with my rhinestone Rhinestone pen. I'll just get those up in a minute. Okay. Add that one right there. And this one right here. And this one right there. And this one more. Okay. And I have a few extra ones right here. Oh, I just knocked one over. Takes patience. For sure. That's it. You just want to look over and make sure you don't have any extra ones, which I have an extra one right there. One right here. She is beautiful, y'all. Okay, I believe that's it. I have another one that I'm gonna bring out along with me, and it's a two-tone. Okay, this is my masking tape, and this is from e-Transfer Warehouse. I also got one off of Amazon also. Okay. So this is the masking tape. Okay. Alright, so what you want to do, you want to take it off this white sheet. You want to fold it in the middle. Just push it on down. Push it on down. I'm short. Let's just do it. So I messed up a little bit over here because it came way over here. So I'm gonna do, just put a piece right here. And voila! Don't panic. Alright. This is a brand new piece, so all of them should connect. And look at that. Easy. Oh. Okay. And that is her. Isn't she beautiful? I can't wait to put this on my shirt or a pillowcase. I don't even care. We'll put it on something. So thank you for watching as I did my butterfly. I'm really excited. These are SS10 stones, if I haven't told you before. And yeah, stay tuned. Let's go over to my heat press and press this bad boy. Until next time.